So today's going to be a pretty short video. The folks over at Freewell sent over a travel case, and it's probably the first time I've ever gotten a chance to look at a travel case, like a true travel case for the Mavic 2 or Mavic 2 Pro. So we're going to take a look at it right after this. What's up everyone, welcome back to Phones, Drones, Tech. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss another video just like this. This right here is the compact carry travel case for the Mavic 2 Pro, or Zoom for that matter, doesn't matter. It's made by Freewell and it's a very minimal compact solution. The last time I looked at one of these cases, it wasn't so minimal, it was actually pretty big. So let's go ahead and unbox this. The packaging got a little bit beat up because it came from overseas. Where I think Freewell is based out of, but there's nothing else in the box. Okay, so there you go. You just basically get the case. Let's just go ahead and look over it. Looks like there's a little nylon here, little strap, not bad, and some nice zippers. That Freewell branding is pretty nice. Look at that Freewell branding there. It's nice. And let's open it up. Now it is a hard case actually. It's sort of hard, like it's not soft. That I do like. On the inside you got some really nice honeycomb style padding. It's got the spot up here for the top, so we should be able to sit the Mavic in here pretty easily. Let's take a look and see. I'm looking at it here and it looks like the Mavic's just gonna sit something like this maybe. Flip it over and there we go. Yeah, so the Mavic will go in. Now it's not gonna accommodate any other batteries, but it is really nice. Now my thought is with the controller, because we can take these sticks out on the Mavic 2s, we'll just take the stick out on either side. I'm gonna put it down, put this in here, do this here, put the stick in, and then I should be able to just slide this in here. My guess is that's what this is designed for. I would love to see another solution to be able to accommodate a controller, but that's pretty svelte. Like that's pretty nice actually. I like that. It doesn't add a lot of bulk. So if you're just looking to take, a battery, or if you're going to throw a battery in another backpack, but you just want to keep your Mavic 2, somewhat safe without getting it nicked or bumped or whatever, or if you're just going on a hike or a biking trip, I can see this really working. Definitely a nice case. I'm digging it. I'm probably going to take this with me when I go to Palm Beach this week. There you go. That is the Freewell Mavic 2 travel case. I'll be sure to include links in the description below where you can check this out if you want to pick one of these up for yourself. I think it's a great value on these and it's definitely great for that traveler. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button as it greatly helps the channel out. And if you already haven't, hit the subscribe button. Stay original. We'll see you next time.